Pakistan, the great nation, the great country, has been endowed with many natural beauties, from mountains to greenlands, from forest to ocean, rivers and deserts, etc. Its mountains are extremely beautiful. Five of the world's 14 taller than 8,000 meters mountains are located in Pakistan. So there are only 14 peaks which are more than 8,000 meters above sea level, and 5 of them, almost one third, are located in Pakistan. K2 is the second highest peak in the world. Its height is 8,611 meters above sea level. In the northern areas, 3 mountain ranges, that is Karakoram, Himalaya and Hindu Kush ranges meet at Jaglot near Galgit. Beside these, Pakistan is home to 108 peaks which are above 7,000 meters. 108. More than 100 peaks are above 7,000 feet from the sea level. If you are flying from Gilgit to Islamabad or Skardu to Islamabad, you will enjoy beautiful views of some of these mountains. There are many mountains and peaks which have not been conquered by man, and there are many places which have not been visited till now by human beings. This is all a range of mountains. At the peaks, there is snow and -degree centigrade temperature, and below there is a timberline where the temperature start changes and trees, herbs and shrubs are found. These beautiful mountains are not only a source of recreation, but they also work as a reservoir and storage of water. During rainy season, snowfall occur on these mountains and water is stored. So the water comes from ocean, it is stored here in the form of snow and glaciers, and then there are streams and rivers which bring back that water from these mountains down to the rest of the country. agriculture and all other activities of people can be linked with these sources of water, because as the water goes down, the level of fresh water and land rises, and it provides water to the people and to the plants. The agriculture, the life, the fruits, all are fed by these mountains. And this is the reason that as you go down, the mountains changes, they become green. The water stored in these mountains also produce electricity at Tarbela and Mangla Dam and many other small dams in the country. As the water goes to the sea, the whole of Pakistan is provided with life. The water is recycled, and this is the lifeline of Pakistan. These mountains also contains precious minerals, and these minerals are extracted and exported to outside world. This is the beauty of these mountains that attract the people. In summer, when the temperature is above 50 degrees centigrade in Sindh and Balochistan and some other parts of the country, here the temperature is quite normal, and the people come over here to enjoy the weather and the quiet atmosphere. In winter, when these places of northern part of Pakistan are very cool, the people go to Karachi and downward to the rest of the country. Thus, these mountains, deserts, and oceans, they make Pakistan a complete country. The need of the hour is to preserve natural resources of Pakistan and maintain the greenery of mountains, plant more trees, and consume water economically, so that these gifts of nature are preserved and passed on to coming generations. You must come to these areas and enjoy the beauty of these places. This is a very big area. The whole range consists of different types of mountains, which also needs research and compilation of its data. Sports should be promoted, especially those which are related to these areas like skiing and other types of sports. If we look at the country, it has been provided with everything. If you go to K2 and then come down, so you will see these mountains, then greenlands, then deserts, and then ocean. Few countries of the world have so much varieties. So be thankful and work for progress and prosperity of this country. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. Please come over to these places and help the people of this region. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video. Thanks a lot.